In this tutorial, we'll learn how to locate and review Oracle AI Data Platform Agent Logs, or AIDP logs, in OCI logging. AIDP audit logs provide a quick summary of agent activity, including who initiated an action and whether it succeeded or failed. For failed or unexpected deployments, I use OCI logging to investigate event information, like timestamps, request IDs, and execution details. In this scenario, the AIDP audit log shows that an agent deployment failed. I'll use OCI logging to review the associated event details. I'll open my AI Data Platform instance in the OCI console and copy its OCID, which identifies the instance and helps me locate its corresponding log group. I'll open the navigation menu and select Observability and Management, then Log Groups. I'll use the OCID to locate the log group associated with this AI Data Platform instance. I'll open the matching log group and use the event ID from the AIDP audit log to locate the exact deployment event. If I want to review additional deployment activity, I can also filter by the deployment event type. I'll open the deployment event to review its details. Here, I can confirm that the event ID and execution details match the failed deployment before I continue my investigation. The execution details confirm I'm reviewing the correct deployment event and provide a starting point for investigating the failure. If I need additional information, I can use the timestamps, request ID, and event details captured in this log to continue my investigation. Now that I've reviewed the OCI logs from my AI Data Platform instance, I can locate the relevant deployment event and use its details to begin investigating an issue. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using AI Data Platform in the links below.